Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use PROMA complete tutorial for beginners. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video guys, we will be talking about and showing you guys how you will be able to use PROMA or Prom AI. Now as you can see right now on our screen, Prom AI is open on our browser and I currently log into my account. Now, upon creating your new account, it will ask you this question over here on what you would like to use the design scenario, which is a feature of Prom AI. You have 4 specific features over here or purposes. You have interior design, architectural design, e-commerce design, and game and anime design. So you could use this app for all of these features over here for all of these purposes. So for me, let's say everything. Now, there are few main features over here under image generation. You have sketch rendering, which is an example over here, as you can see below on our community section, where you could see the different outputs of other people. You also have your typical AI image generator. You have your creative fusion, image variation, photos to sketch, background diffusion, AI supermodel, and text effects over here. There's also features such as image editing, like HD upscaler, erase and replace, outpainting, and relight, and there's also video outputs as well. As you can see already right off the bat, with all the different AI tools, PROMA is a very capable platform wherein you will be able to do a lot of things. Now, we would like to try out the different things that we will be able to do. So over here on the sketch rendering, this requires you to upload or line drawing to be rendered. You will need to upload a photo or line drawing to be rendered or generate an image using text also. So you could utilize image that you produce on your own, or you could even use an image that you produced inside of Prom AI as well. As you can see here, these are different examples of the different outputs, and over here on the top, this is where you will be able to enter your prompt. Now, like any typical AI out there, you will be able to use Prom AI for a lot of different things with a lot of different purposes. You could use it to create images with e-commerce purposes, where you would like to create designs that you would like to sell online, or it even just satisfy your curiosity on the capabilities of this platform and produce outputs and images that you want to see. Now, for example, over here, let's create a very simple output. Let's say a spaceman or astronaut. We'll just go with spaceman riding a motorcycle. There we go. We have a very simple prompt over here. And as you can notice over here below, this is like your settings area, where you could select the type of design or style you would like this prompt that you have created to appear with. As you can see, there's general natural, general cinematic, general commercial, fantasy, and general sci-fi, which will have different effects as you can see here. There's also conceptual art designs over here that you could choose from. You have fantasy to more fantasies over here. Simply scroll through this to find different outputs or different designs that you would like to see the output do. And you also have illustrations over here that you can check out. There's also unique outputs like design infographics, paper cuts. These are very unique designs over here. And you can also create arts over here, as you can see. And there's already a lot of different capabilities, as you can see. But for us, let's go with a normal general sci-fi design. And for our scale, we could simply have that. And there's also something called artistry, where you could modify to till 100 or 0. And this will affect the way the AI will generate your output. And let's generate just like this. And there we go. Currently, we are in queue. But if you want your image to be generated instantly, you would need to get a promo or like a premium version of what we are using right now. So let's simply wait for our image to be created over here, and we could show you the outputs that we will be able to produce and show you the capabilities of Prom AI over here. And there we go. As you can see, you have our first image generated over here. Looks really cool, very futuristic and sci-fi. There we go. So it does not disappoint. We could preview the download, or we could preview the thumbnail, but if you want to publish it, you can publish it. If you want to like, dislike, or download it as well, you can download it, as you can see here. Although if you want to download, it will only be available for preview download. if you want to download the full or normal upscale or normal 4x upscale, you would need to get some premium account or premium version or get a membership, as you can see here. And there's a free version, base, and standard. For the free version, we could do a lot of generations, 10 coins per month. So every generation, it will eat up a certain portion of our generation. So as you can see here, it will take up 0.1 coin for relaxed generation, a normal generation, and 2 coins for one video generation. And this is the video generation over here. So let's try out the video generation over here. Now there's other features over here that I would like to try out in a bit, but let's focus on the main features of Brome AI over here. So let's go here. Let's go with a motorcycle again. A motorcycle parked in the rain. Or let's say outside a ramen shop. Same thing with our results this time. Let's go with a different model. Let's go with illustration or art. Under art over here, there's a lot of options, but there isn't one that I would like. I guess let's go with this one, realistic fantasy number 4. So let's generate that. And as you can see, we are currently the first one in queue. It might take a while to generate, so you're going to have to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. But as you can see, it's a video, so it's going to take longer than your normal image generator. So I wanted to try the sketch rendering over here. So let's actually try using this. You could use different examples over here if you want. But you can check out your history as well. But let's click on upload over here. Let's click on our first generated image earlier. Click on history. And let me just download one of this. Preview download. And let's go back to our sketch over here. Upload. Get our image. And supposedly it's going to render it just like that. Then click on generate. As you can see, we're currently in queue, so we're going to wait for a few seconds or even a minute for now. So over here, it's still being created, as you can see here. Over here, it's almost done. And you're just going to have to wait because we don't have a membership, so we're going to have to wait for our different outputs. Now, while this is loading, I could explain how you could use the different features or the different outputs of Brome AI. You could use Canva to present your ideas, or you could even just use Brome AI to create simple designs, stuff like that. Use it to create things that you could put on the PowerPoint, or like a presentation that you need, or something like a video, or maybe like a handout, anything like that. And you could use the AI to make it interesting and better. But as you can see, this is our sketch over here. You could change the different designs over here. For example, you could create it for a landscape, or you could even turn it into a game or animation, or you could even turn the image that you have provided into a game scene design over here. So let's say I would like to generate that. So let's generate that as our last generation for today's video. But over here, it's almost done, 67%. So we could wait for this one to finish as well before we end our video. Over here, this one's the normal AI image generation. Over here, it's almost done as well. So there we go. As you can see, the theme changed as well, as you can see here, from the original to another version. So you could change the original outputs that you have uploaded and make it with different styles and render models, as you can see here, and you will be able to get different effects. Looks very cool and looks very stylish with a lot of uniqueness, as you can see here. Now over here, there we go. We now have our video over here. So let's play. As you can see, a motorcycle parked outside a ramen shop while it's raining. You could easily see like a texture or noise over here indicating that it is raining. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to use Brome AI. You could use other features as well if you wish to try it out, but feel free to visit this platform. And that's all, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.